Hello YouTubers, this is a short video about this capacitive touch sensor TTP223B. Okay, so I hooked it up to an Arduino Uno, and the Uno is connected to an LCD display, and the digital pin 7 is connected to the touch sensor. So when we get a reading, it will go high and show 1 on the screen. So let's see. Yes, it works. Okay, I have replaced the original capacitor with a known value. This is 20 picofarads. According to the datasheet, it should be between 0 and 50 picofarads. 0, maybe it means short circuit. I will try that later. But 20 picofarads works well. I wanted to lower the capacitance as low as possible because it says the sensitivity will be better if the value of CS is smaller. This is the capacitor. Okay, so the sensitivity is pretty good now. I need to touch the sensor for it to, this is on the back side, where you have the metal plate. I have to touch it, unless it doesn't work. Okay, but if I put a thick piece of paper in between, it still works. I think that's because the paper joins the capacitance here, so you can have a gap. This means you can put this sensor inside an enclosure, just glue it into maybe a 3D printed case, and then you can touch on the outside. And then for instance, you can have a waterproof light switch or something like that. So don't be afraid of tinkering with this module. I think it's pretty robust. I had a few tries to solder these tiny solder points, and it still works. Yeah, that's all for today. This is a pretty cool sensor, cheap, so you are allowed to destroy it while tinkering with it. Okay, thank you for watching to the end. Have a good day. Bye.